Hey everyone, and welcome to another video on the Joan Wick channel. Today we're going to go into buy-side and sell-side liquidity. And what exactly does that mean? So, for buy-side liquidity, it refers to external range liquidity resting above the market price. So if you remember, our external range liquidity are basically our swing highs and swing lows. And buy-side liquidity refers to our liquidity resting on our buy side above the current market price. If you see in this example here, in sell side liquidity, our equal highs also count as external range liquidity. So sell side liquidity refers to liquidity resting at the sell side below market price. That should be easy enough. Just look at our swing highs and swing lows. So if we look at our example on the chart, let's have a look at how we can view this with the chart. Okay, so if we look at this example, I'm going to put our swing highs and swing lows like this. This will be our sell side liquidity. We make that a brighter color. Okay, and let's have buy side liquidity. Let's have that be brighter colors. Okay, so if we start from the bottom here, here's our first swing low. That's our first sell side liquidity. Where's our next sell side and buy side? Buy side's up here. You could say that this is another swing low over here. You can measure this out as our sell side. Here we have another swing low formed here. Got another sell side. And what do you notice? That when we displace above, we continue the direction. If you remember the video on break structure and mark structure shift, displacement plays a key role on whether we continue our direction. So we don't take out the sell side, but we put a new swing low, and instead we take out buy side, displacing while above. Where is our new swing high? This is our new swing high. That's our new buy side. Where's our new sell side? Would be this low over here. We don't go past the sell side, but we push past into the buy side. And now this is our new swing high. Here are our swing lows. Excuse me over there. And we see that price pushes past buy side once again. Makes a new swing high. That's our new buy side. And our new swing low. Excuse me. I keep doing this multi-select thing. Okay. Now this is important. We failed to make a new high above this buy side liquidity, but instead we sweep the lows. And what happens? We don't displace. We are in a hurry to come back inside the range. And what does that mean? We're going to target buy side. Simple enough. We form a new low after making a new high. We don't take out sell side, but we do push to buy side, continuing the direction, and so on and so on. Can continue doing this until we start to change direction. See, the market doesn't push to sell side, but we do take buy side. Make a new swing high and a new swing low. We don't push up, but instead we break down with huge displacement, and eventually we get a market structure shift. So what happens? We eventually start taking all of this sell side liquidity. You should start seeing this pattern after trading some time. I am getting a bit ahead, but this is a long example. But you can see once we take out one side and fail to displace, we immediately want to take out the other side, sell side. And what's great about having a trend like this, having a nice market structure and trending down, is that once we break structure, market structure, these old swing lows, sell side liquidity becomes new targets once we fail to move up. Like if you look over here, we make a swing high over here, we make another swing low. Watch how we fail to break this side, the sell side liquidity, so we move towards buy side liquidity. But then we fail to break buy side liquidity, and where do we go to next? We go to sell side liquidity, continuing that bearish trend. And that is essentially what buy side and sell side liquidity is. And I can show you in actually today's example. I want to show you today. I didn't manage to get an entry today, but I used the same logic of buy side and sell side liquidity. If I remove these drawings, this was today's trading session. It's live, you can see, and this was when the week started. I was looking at this low right here. If we go on the 4 hour, this low was my sell side liquidity, right? So I was looking very bullish today, and the reason why is you can see that we did not displace past that sell side liquidity. So what became easy targets for me? All these swing highs right here became easy targets for buyers. Very nice, but unfortunately we did not get a nice retracement for me to enter buy, so it was not a good day for me to trade. Perhaps tomorrow, but I'm thinking the profile today, we're looking like we're expanding for the rest of the week. We'll see tomorrow. Yeah, that's our example for today. Buy side and sell side liquidity. Just look for your swing highs and swing lows and see which side displaces and target the opposite side. Sounds easy enough, but put it into practice and you'll find that it's a bit difficult to time it, but it's easy to see, easy to spot. And that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.